Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to block someone on LinkedIn. So it's actually really simple. So first of all, you need to navigate to the profile of the person you want to block. So say it's this person for me. So I'm going to click on his name. Then I'm going to click on more. And from there, I'm going to scroll down and click on block. From there, you'll have different options. So you can report the account or report the profile element. But if you just want to block them, choose the top option. Then you'll be asked to confirm that you want to block them. So go ahead and click on block of the person you want to block. If you want to unblock them, go to me at the top, settings and privacy. Then on the left-hand side, you're going to click on visibility. From there, you're going to scroll down and you should see a section that says blocked members. And here you can see the people you have blocked. If you want to unblock them, just click on unblock and that will be done. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.